Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Modern Mining. Today, I'm gonna go over my entire crypto mining farm and get accurate power numbers to see if Hashrate.no is actually accurate when counting profitability for certain hardware. Obviously, we know it's not gonna be exact, but I'm curious what percentage is it off. I've also never really looked at the true profitability of my farm, so I'm curious, am I as profitable as I think? Well, let's find out. All right, so my gaming PC, as you guys know, is a 3080 and a Ryzen 7800X 3D. This stays mining Alephium and Zephyr. So I've got a power meter under here. Let's see what this is pulling. Looks like about 340 watts. Moving down to the garage, I've got 4 3070s and 2 3060 Ti's mining Alephium on a Dell Optiplex motherboard, so there's no CPU mining going on there. Then on this rig, I have a mix between 3060 Ti's and 3070s with one 3060. This one is mining Zephyr on the Ryzen 3600. And the last rig is also a mixture of all 3060 Ti's and one 2070 Super. These ones are all Hynix memory. And all of these rigs are mining Alephium. This one is not CPU mining. It's a old mining motherboard, so I don't have the CPU mining. But all of those combined with one rig running Zephyr and all of them running Alephium, it looks like we're at 2040 watts. So let's hop into the computer, take those numbers and compare them against Hashrate.no and do some calculations, including how much Zilliqa I'm mining on and off, how much Zephyr and how much Alephium. We'll get all my hash rates and see what the profitability really looks like. All right, let's get these numbers loaded into the spreadsheet. So for power consumption, we had 2040 watts plus 340 watts for a total power of 2380. And then for our hash rates, we've got 27.95 gigahash for Alephium and 16.68 kilohash for Zephyr. In Zilliqa, I know it's 1400 megahash. So let's put in our hardware into Hashrate.no and see what that's giving us for Alephium. It says 27.57. And then for CPUs, 7800X 3D, Ryzen 3600. Zephyr, it's saying 1800 kilohash, which obviously, or 1800 hash, which we know is not correct. And it's telling us our electricity is going to be 1947 plus 185 equals 1947 plus 185. So it's undershooting the power consumption because obviously it's not counting for motherboards and stuff like that. And it's overshooting the Zephyr hash rate. Let's change this to match the other one. Okay, so let's do some profitability calculations. So if we're gonna figure out our cost per day, 2380 watts, 2380, we're looking at $6.28, 6.28. And for this one, 2132, 5.63 per day. Okay, and then let's figure out our revenue with these hash rates. So we'll go into calculator here. Okay, so Zil, 1400 megahash, Alf, we were at 27.95. And then Zephyr, we're at 16,680. So real world results, we're looking at a total revenue of $12.25 per day. Now let's look at our revenue for Hashrate.no. So go back to that page. And Zephyr, this is saying 18.17. And Alephium was 27.57. And I'm not gonna put Zilliqa in there because Hashrate.no is not telling you anything about Zilliqa, so we'll remove that. And that's giving us a profitability of $10.50. Let's see what the difference between 10.5 and 12.25 is to get a difference between the two to see kind of how far Hashrate.no is under budgeting these ones. All right, now that we've got all our values in here, we can kind of see my farm is making $6 a day in profit after power costs between Zephyr, Zill, and Alephium. If you just put all my cards and CPUs on Hashrate.no, it would say I was only making $4.87 profit. Now, this would actually be even lower if it wasn't over calculating for Zephyr, but the biggest difference there is it's not calculating Zilliqa in there when you're just looking at the raw numbers for your GPUs. Real world, I'm seeing 18.43% increased profitability since I'm dual mining Zill, and a total daily profit of $6 a day, which is not terrible. Looks like I'm spending over $6 a day in power, so that's about $180 a month power bill. So this is a quick one, guys, but just wanted to get some new content out to you, so I'll see you next time. Peace.